Hello everyone, and welcome back to STEAM Aspirations. Today we will be solving problem number 18 of the 2015 AMC. So let's get started. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by adding a constant to the previous term. Each row and each column in this 5x5 array is an arithmetic sequence with 5 terms. What is the value of x? So let's first try to actually find some values in this array. Now we know the values of the corners being 1, 25, 81, and 17. And we also know that each row and each column is an arithmetic sequence with 5 terms. And so let's just look at this first row. Let the common difference be d. I just zoom in. Let the common difference be d. So we have this is 1 plus d, this is 1 plus 2d, this element right here is 1 plus 3d, and aha, we see that this element right here is 1 plus 4d, which is also equal to 25. Subtracting 1 from both sides gives 4d is equal to 24, or d is equal to 6. So now we can fill in all of these elements. We know that 1 plus d is 1 plus 6, which is 7. 7 plus d is 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. And finally, 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. And we can confirm that 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. Now let's do the same thing, but for the bottom row. So let the common difference of the bottom row be d sub b for d of bottom. We have that this is 17 plus d sub b, 17 plus 2d sub b, 17 plus 3d sub b, and just like before, we have that this final element in the row is equal to 17 plus 4d sub b, and we already know that's equal to 81. So we have 4d sub b is equal to 64, or d sub b is equal to 16. And let's just plug this in to confirm we did it right. We have 17 plus 16 is 33, plus 16 is 49, plus 16 is 65, plus 16 is 81. And now we notice that in the same way that we calculate the middle terms of the top and bottom rows from the first and last elements, we can do the same thing for this middle row here to find x. So let's let that common difference be d sub m for d of middle. So we have this is 13 plus d sub m. The x we want to find is 13 plus 2 d sub m. This is 13 plus 3 d sub m. And finally, just like the other two times, we have that 13 plus 4 d sub m is equal to 49. Subtracting 13 from both sides gives 4 d sub m is equal to 36, or d sub m is equal to 9. So now we can finally plug in these values into the middle column. So we know that 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 9 will give us x, which is 33, but we'll go all the way through just to confirm. 31 plus 9 is 40, and 40 plus 9 is 49. So we see that our answer is 31. Going back to the answer choices, this is choice B, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time!